Done for the end of the day and you're trying to print your closing paperwork. This screen is where you enter your receivers, okay? You're going to want to go up a level, master reporting, ordering, receiving, DSD. This is the one where I told you if you'll go, you can enter this one, which is going to give you that one. We did the 12th, so we're going to change this date to the 12th, which is this one right here. Okay, you're going to hit OK on this one. See how it changed it to Tuesday? You're going to come down here, print. And that was for an AWG. See how all these numbers are an AWG? Okay. You're going to hit print on that one, right up here at the top. Let it print. Go over here, hit that close button. Brings you back to this screen. Do it again. Instead of putting any vendor number in here, we're going to skip it. We're going to drop it back down, go to the 12th. This is going to give us our grand total for the store. This is the AWG and all of the receiving that we did yesterday, okay? You're going to go right down here. You're going to print this one. I always like to take the other ones off so that way you make sure that you don't get them confused. Here's the one we just printed. All right, remember the total and everything else. Okay. When it comes back up every once in a while, it's going to give you that screen. If you will minimize it, go back down, hit this one, hit the print, voila. Okay. This one, I was going to show you. This right here is the total that you're wanting to keep an eye on, and I'll show you why here in a minute. I'm going to pause you for just a second. Once you have your AWG and you have your full day total, all right, that's what I usually do. I will write AWG, and then I go down here and I write all. That helps me remember which is which. It's really important because if you'll watch, I'll show you here in a minute on this next screen why we did that. Pausing you for a second. All right, now going back to the computer. You're going to want to go all the way down here to the very bottom where this little star doohickey is. Click it. You're going to come up with this one. This is where you go Documents, Store Data, 76, Store Reports. Click this one. Okay. Here's what we did yesterday. Remember all of this? Okay. You're going to enter your AWG. That's Grocer Supply here. So you're going to take this paperwork with this numbers. Okay? See how that's all the same? That's all your same vendor. That's AWG's vendor number. Okay, so that's how you know you've got it in case you forget to, write it on there. You're going to go to your Grocer Supply. And you're going to find grocery. You are going to enter that total. See, it says department total 01 grocery. It says you have 3. That's the total for these 3 trucks right here. You're going to enter this amount, the 7810.02, right there. Alright, and then you're going to go down to the next one, which is general merchandise. You have nothing for general merchandise. Your next one would be produce. So you want to go all the way down to produce. And you're going to enter that amount there, and each one for each department. See that amount right there? It's going to match that amount right there. Okay, so now then you're in your all paperwork. You got your last sheet. After entering your AWG truck, you see this total? Alright, this is your total from your AWG truck. All of these get added together. That total from your total column going down, your totem column going across, this number should equal that number.